Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Kirby squishy. I started off by cutting my memory foam into a square, and I rounded off the edges and the corners to create a sphere. Then I cut out 2 ovals for the legs and 2 dome shapes for the arms. I'm going to glue all these pieces together with Fabric Fusion, which is a fabric glue and it dries flexible. You can also use puffy paint to glue these pieces together. So your squishy should look something like this now, and now we're going to move on to creating the accessories. Since Halloween is around the corner, I decided to make this into a Halloween themed video. So for the accessories, I decided to go with a knife and a little trick-or-treating basket. Now we're going to move on to painting the squishy. I get a lot of comments asking what type of puffy paint I use, and the one I use is by the brand Tulip. For my base color, I'm going to mix red and white to make pink. And if you guys have been following my channel, you know that the magic number to create a slow rising squishy is 3 layers of paint. Make sure each layer of paint is dry before moving on to the next, and you can speed up the drying process by either using a blow dryer or putting the squishy next to a fan. After my base layer is done, I'm going to start painting the other colors. I didn't record the entire painting process, but now I'm just painting on the details. This is my final Kirby squishy, and I think it turned out super cute. It's also really slow rising. This next part is optional, but I'm going to be making packaging for my Kirby squishy. To start off, I'm going to create a tag using cardstock paper. I'm using a puffy paint bottle to trace out a perfect circle, and then I'm going to cut this out. And I'm not the best artist, but I tried my best to draw Kirby. Next, I'm going to use a hole puncher to punch a hole into this clear plastic bag. I usually buy my bags at Daiso, but you can probably find them on Amazon. And now I'm going to attach the tag using a gold ball chain. I believe I either got these on Amazon or from AliExpress. This is the final product, and I think it turned out extra adorable with the packaging. I haven't been making packaging for my squishies lately because it can be wasteful. However, I found that packaging my squishies help them stay soft longer. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!